I just wanted to give you an update of the fire situation out west. It continues to be really bad. And I'm showing here two maps. One is near Portland, Oregon. On the lower right side here, you can see the city of Portland, and you can see these massive fires burning near the eastern suburbs of Portland. And there have been evacuations. There have been, I think, 500,000 people have been evacuated from these areas here. And these fires seem to be spreading in that general direction of Portland. And so I think there are beginning to be evacuations in this part of the city itself, which is a truly scary situation. The weather looks pretty bad in the next few days, continuing dry, windy conditions, which makes the firefighters' job really difficult. And this here on the left side are the fires that are burning near San Francisco, and have burnt near San Francisco. Some of these have been contained, but you can see this is San Francisco here, and these are the enormous fires that are burning in this part of the country here. The images here show the air near San Francisco, this orange tint to the air because of all the ash in the atmosphere that's coming from these fires. And this here shows some horrific scenes of firefighters actually battling these blazes. So just to give you some information on these fires right now, 6 of 20 of the largest wildfires ever have occurred this year. That's just so far. So 6 of 20 of the largest wildfires. 4.4 million acres have burned so far out west, and 2.2 million of those are in California. And just to give you some idea as to why this has happened, the drought in the last decade has been so bad that in California alone, 163 million trees have died because of the drought. 163 million trees provides a huge amount of fuel for these fires. And now just to end with a few of the obvious terrible health effects of these fires. Smoke inhalation, really bad if you're in these areas. People are being told to stay inside, but if you need to evacuate, and then that becomes very difficult. So smoke inhalation, very dangerous for elderly and immunocompromised folks. And then, of course, once the fires are ended and it rains again, you get some terrible chemicals that enter the drinking water supply. One of the most notable ones is benzene. And after the big Camp Fire in 2017, benzene levels were reported. Very high benzene levels were reported. So again, it's a very dangerous situation out there. And for those of you who are out there, please stay safe. And I'll talk to you guys over the weekend.